all the way out. Make sure they're nice and tangle free, all hanging down. We start with the yellow tag first. Punch it around behind your wheel till it comes out just over here.
Yep.
Get them nice and equal on the ground. The red hoop comes up behind the wheel to the top, and we reconnect it at the top. Pull the chain around the front. A little blue hook, little chain, connect them together. We then want to center them up. So tuck the red one back. So this is in the center of your tread, this one just above the rim, doing a nice circle around. This one here comes around the front, and this one here comes around the front. Lift the lever open, the chain goes in the slot like that, so it goes in the bottom and out the top. Close it off, pull tight. This one, we can then just tuck it in behind the chain.
Good, boys.
Thanks, Max.
Thank you.
Clip it up nice and tight like that. Once they're on, drive forward 5 meters, jump out, pull that tight, readjust that one.
Okay. Under. Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Now, no faster than 30 kilometers when you're driving with the chains on. Nice and slow. Okay. Fantastic. Now, you two have the same sort of chains as this one. Yours is slightly different. Okay. You've got a blue hoop instead of a red one.
Yes.
And your hook is just silver.
Yes.
Everything else is the same.
Same.
Yep.
It's a different color, right?
That's it. Now to take them off, we want to drive, so we have this little tag at the top.
Okay.
That will let us know the hook and the connector at the back is at the top. Then we reverse it all. So, unhook here, take it out of there, and out of the ratchet. It's all undone down the bottom. We unhook at the top, but don't let go. Hold on. Just pull forward so we can grab the connector, disconnect it, drop them down, and then drive off the chains. Pick them up, put them in the box, and bring it back. Okay?
Yep. Excellent.
Now, the Ranger is the only one that has them on the rear wheel.